Cindy Shubley here. I decided to do a couple mods to my Stanley Lunchbox chuck kit. One of them was to get rid of this cute little and functional mess kit that's all aluminum. It has the teapot in it, and you know, it's a built-in cook set. The reason why I decided that I would probably not use this in the future is that, to be honest with you, I bought it no-name brand from Alibaba, and it's all aluminum. And one of the things about aluminum coming from China is a lot of it has toxic levels of lead in it. Here in Washington State, they've been doing a lot of testing on aluminum cookware and other cookware that's coming from China. And they're finding that the Chinese manufacturers are using anything to produce this inexpensive aluminum products. And they've even found that the Chinese, unregulated, will use even batteries. So I've decided to toss out or just use my little mess kit as a prop for future photo adventures, but not to use it for cooking. And I've replaced it with a stainless steel, and of course Stanley, 3-piece, whatever it is, 2-cup cook set. So it's all aluminum. And I've made a few other little tweaks and modifications to my set as well. And this video is about that. And then I'm going to actually take it out and test it out. So I'm inviting you to come along.